Okay. We're hunting ghosts. And... I would say something that sounds weird. So, we haven't found any evidence yet. We haven't gotten lucky. Okay, so, wait. We have it. Okay. I'll hold the flashlight because I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping. Who's texting?
Angelina just forwarded a message.
Chainmail?
Like normal.
Chainmail?
Yes.
Why does everyone chainmail you when we're ghost hunting?
I know.
Let's search in there. Age before beauty.
No.
If there's any frogs in there, I'm screaming and running like one. Since when does your dad have a motorcycle?
He's had it.
Sarah?
Yeah.
Ghosties like motorcycles.
Like motorcycles, they're
Is
bound
that
to
a
be in
machete? Oh no, that's just a powered tool. I'm walking this way. I can't see.
there. Oh
Okay. We're calling Batman.
yeah. We're calling Batman.
We're
Batman,
calling-
help us.
I'm so bored.
We're hunting ghosts. We haven't found anything yet. But I hear voices.
Voices? Oh my god! Where's my nightlight? Did it stop?
No.
Yes.
Light.
We have to do the ancient ghost hunting dance. Oh my god! I hear them now. Oh, I see people. I see dead people. Shine the light over here so I can say that again. Hey, hey. I see dead people. I love that. That was priceless. Oh my god. But we're serious. We're ghost hunters. Oh my god. We have to go inside.